Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Instagram an unexpected error occurred. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing an unexpected error on your Instagram, so I will show you how to fix this issue. Guys, this is an Instagram bug. So you have to wait for some time to fix this issue automatically. So if you want to try, if there is any issue with your Instagram, you can try and fix this issue. So what you have to try, you have to just open your Instagram app, you have to open your Play Store, search for Instagram, tap on the Instagram. If there is any pending for update, just update your Instagram from here. After that, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then tap on the Instagram, scroll down, tap on the apps, tap on see all apps, search for Instagram. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK, then tap on storage and cache. If you know your Instagram user ID and password, just tap on clear storage because it will be logged out your Instagram account. So if you don't know your Instagram user ID and password, just tap on clear cache, then go back, then check whether your issue has been fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, then this is a bug with the Instagram server, so you have to wait for minimum 10 to 12 hours, so it will fix us automatically. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix an unexpected error occurred on your Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.